Here are some of the typical ductwork components used. First step that you must do in the assembly is to install starter collars. When installing starter collars, it may be necessary to crimp the edges of the starting collar to fit inside of the component. Some may fit right on the outside. This particular one, I have crimped it. Use that. Install it. And use a rubber mallet if you have to tap it in. Secure it. Use 3 or 4, whichever you like. Make a real good seal. I prefer using silicone. Around the outside edge there. Now that you have all your starter collars installed, you can start installing the rest of your ductwork. I chose to put in a slide gate first. We'll use a quick, easy clamp connect. Very simple, very easy. You put the flanges together on the slide gate and the start collar, and put your locking ring around it and clamp down. That's how simple it is. I'm now going to continue building my ductwork. I'm going to attach a piece of ducting to the shock track and the slide gate. Put the flanges together with the locking clamp around both flanges and clamp down. Do the same to this end and clamp down. I have continued with straight ductwork to get down to the location of my dust collector. Along the way, I used a step ladder to help brace it up until I make the final connection. Once I make the final connection, I then can remove the step ladder. To make the final connection, I'm going to use 2 45-degree elbows to come out here and connect into my dust collector. First, I'm going to install the locking clamp. Another locking clamp down here on my dust collector. Then I'm going to install my first 45-degree elbow. Again, match up the flanges. Position it to where I like it at. And again, clamp down. Okay, another 45-degree elbow. Position it so that it will match up with the flanges on my dust collector. Again, just clamp down. And my final clamp, I arrange it around the flanges and clamp. The final step in the ductwork assembly is to insert the locking pin into the handles. It's now completed.